Well, my favorite thing about seeds is working in the garden and being outside.
We consider ourselves an oasis. You kind of get a feeling of abundance. We really are targeting kids that are at risk, inner city youth. And we bring them to the garden, we pay them. That's the way we incentivize them to come. And then they learn where their food comes from, which many kids, when you ask them, they say Food Lion. And they really honestly think that's where it comes from. Our primary mission is to empower youth to become more productive citizens, and we do that through gardening. And so they learn how to take care of themselves and the garden soil, and they relate to each other in a respectful way, and it becomes a real excellent vehicle to teach them how to become decent adults and healthy adults. One of the health-related projects they did last summer was they took a stick of butter and a stick of margarine and put it outside for a week. At the end of the week, they went out. There was not even a speck of butter, and the margarine had 3 or 4 little bird pecks in it, and that's it. No creatures will eat margarine. And how else can you teach that to a kid? We have a new program with the Durham Inner City Gardeners called the Healthy Foodathon, and it's a mindful eating program. And this is where the kids get challenged to go 30 days without eating fast food or soda. The first year was last year, and we had 15 kids go through the program. 13 made it. It was the most amazing experience for them. First of all, it was the hardest month of their lives because they did not know how to decide what to eat. They're so used to just kind of eating what's there, or just kind of, oh, I'm over here, I'm going to eat this. Thinking about what they eat and when they eat and am I hungry was a brand new concept for them. And so it was really, really hard. And we could have spent 100 hours in the classroom and even going to the grocery and doing all kinds of things, talking about healthy eating and why you feel better after eating well. Well, we would never could have accomplished that without this program, because it was a competition, so they were into it. And so they really were able to get it.
We learn not to eat junk food, and if we eat the healthy food, that we can get stronger and we can help the world.
So here are the tomatoes, and here we have nasturtiums. You can eat nasturtiums in salad. I don't know if you knew that. Oh, come look at this cabbage. I'm just so impressed when cabbage does it. It actually does it by itself. And the corn. I don't know if we're going to get any. Oh, look, look. We've got corn. Our hopes for the kids that are involved in seeds are multifaceted. As I talked about earlier, teaching them respect. We're hoping that they will carry that with them everywhere they go.